Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reorder your Airbnb listing pictures. Without any further ado, let's get started. At the bottom of your screen, tap on Listings. This will take you to all of your active Airbnb properties that you're currently hosting or managing. From here, you'll be able to access the specific listing whose photos you want to reorganize. Next, tap on the listing that you want to edit. This opens up all the details and settings for that particular property, giving you full control over how it appears to potential guests browsing Airbnb. Once you're inside your listing, tap on Photo Tour. This section is specifically dedicated to managing all the visual content for your property, and it's where you can control the order in which your photos appear to guests. The order of your photos is crucial because the first few images are what catch a guest's eye and determine whether they'll click on your listing or scroll past it. Now, on the top of the screen, tap on All Photos. This will display every single image you've uploaded for this listing in one view, making it easy to see your entire photo collection at once and decide which images should be featured more prominently. At this point, you can see all the photos laid out in their current order. This is where you can start making changes to ensure your best and most appealing photos are displayed first, which can significantly impact your booking rate. To reorder the photos, simply press and hold on a picture that you want to move. Once you've selected it, you'll see options appear allowing you to tap Move Forward or Move Back. Moving a photo forward brings it closer to the beginning of your photo tour, while moving it back pushes it further down in the sequence. This gives you precise control over the exact position of each image. You can repeat this process on every picture in your listing until you're satisfied with the order. Take your time arranging them so that your most attractive and well-lit photos appear first, as these create the strongest first impression for potential guests. And that's it. You've now reorganized your Airbnb listing photos to showcase your property in the best possible way. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.